Since this kit was purchased as an open box, it had a few scuff marks on it, so I primed it in grey primer. I added some extra colors to add interest. And now, something completely different.
You know, nothing says status like having two cars, especially if they both run. And wouldn't it be great to have a place to store them, even if all you have is a single car garage? Well, all you need is a couple of playground slides like these and two sections of those roller conveyor things they have at the beer store. You just drive up so that your outside wheels go up the slides and let gravity take care of the rest. Well, don't forget to fasten your seatbelt. And you might want to stop and let your wife get out first.
I always had it in my mind that I wanted to do spark plug wires for this build, and I wanted orange ones, but I couldn't find them in the store, so I decided to make my own. I took some narrow gauge electrical wire, stripped the insulation off, painted the wire orange, and then I clipped off some of the insulation that was removed and added it to the tips of the wires to be the boots on the end of the spark plug wires. Then I carefully drilled and glued the wires to the engine. This was my first attempt at putting ignition wires on a model kit.